You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many get wrong, including from Indian or India. How do you say it? Priyanka, Priyanka, or in English, Priyanka, Priyanka, Priyanka also. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support. Like it at least, it really helps. Thanks, much appreciated. More videos here on how to pronounce more confusing names. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.